This is the 1997 Honda StepWagon. It has 65,927 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It does come with the 2 front doors, 1 rear sliding door, and 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of this vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see that the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles, so the number y'all are seeing up here, 106,100. That is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 65,927. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We are going to start on the driver's side. We are at the passenger front wheel. All right, we're coming to the driver's side rear wheel. I do want to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate you guys. Y'all have a safe and blessed day. And again, thank you so much.